The blank screen on a touchscreen equipped fryer may not indicate the controller itself is bad. When responding to a blank screen call, always check the controller for the presence of power on the board. This is done by examining the LEDs, visible through a protective cover on the back. Remove the screw securing the controller and lower it. If the controller is getting power, LEDs will be visible through the unit's cover. The green LEDs indicates the controller is getting 12, 5, and 3.3 volts DC from the smart interface board in the control box. The red LED near the green array should flash upon startup. It will go out. If there are no lights, the problem is likely with the controller or its power, 24 VAC entering on pins 1 and 2 of the J1 plug. See the check later in this video to test for input power. If the LEDs are illuminated, even dimly, it's likely the problem is downstream from the controller. A component connected to the board is likely shorted and drawing power from the touchscreen. The components can be eliminated from the circuit by removing plugs tying them to the smart interface board. The J9 port ties the SIB to the valve interface board. Unplug the cable. If the controller's display returns, the problem is likely with the VIB, which is under the fry pot. If the controller stays blank, return J9 and move to the J8 port. Remove the cable. This port connects the controller to the filter interface board. A short here could pull power from the controller display. If the display returns, look into the connections on the FIB. Still blank? Return J8 and move to J7. This ties the SIB to the oil quality sensor, or OQS. Remove the plug. If the controller returns, check the OQS. Still no luck? Check for 24 VAC entering the SIB. Use needle leads and carefully check on pins 1 and 2 on the J1 plug. The smart interface board uses 24 VAC to make the DC voltage required for its operation. A blank touchscreen controller should never be replaced without a thorough diagnosis of possible causes. A quick reference sheet, 819-7938, that details these checks is available from Frymaster's website.